In this video, I will discuss the questions and their solution of Chapter 3, Artificial Intelligence and Sustainable Development. This chapter is taken from the book Together with AI and the publication is Rachna Sagar for class 9. Now I am going to discuss question and their solution, so keep watching. First of all, I am going to start my topic from objective questions. Question number A. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. What is the relationship between copyright and AI? The accurate answer is B. AI protect digital product via digital lock. Question 2. What is the purpose of call center in the industry? The accurate answer is to intercept phone calls and analyze their impact on customer buying behavior and experience. Question 3. Which industry offers endless opportunities for AI? The accurate answer is healthcare. Question 4. What is sustainable development? The accurate answer is D. The use of resources of equal or higher value without endangering the natural eco base. Question 5. How is AI being used in agriculture? The accurate answer is all of the above. It means all three options are correct. Now question 6. How can AI be used in manufacturing sector? Option A. To automate and optimize assembly lines. Question 7. In what sector is AI already being used to improve efficiency? The accurate answer is energy. Question 8. What is the potential impact of AI on the IT service management industry? The accurate answer is all of the above. Question 9. How is the service industry adopting AI? The accurate answer is answer number C. Through the interaction of AI powered voice assistant and chatbots. Question 10. What is the potential impact of AI on the transportation industry? The accurate answer is high ROI potential for AI innovation. Now fill in the blanks. Dash can be implemented into make them more efficient in supplying energy and predicting when batteries. The correct answer is smart grid. Question 2. Dash is one of the industries most at risk of becoming obsolete in an AI world. The correct answer is call center. Question 3. Dash and Dash can be used to process data collected by drones, deep learning algorithm and computer vision. Question 4. Dash type of robots are used to harvest crops with a higher proportion of human labor. The correct answer is autonomous. Question 5. Dash are the most innovative solution in the field of cultural sustainability. The correct answer is drones. Question 6. Dash type of agriculture is the most common threat to the environment in the pursuit of economic progress and well-being. The accurate answer is shifting cultivation. Question 7. Dash is the most common threat to the environment degradation. Question 8. Dash is the need to balance growth and development without burdening sustainable development. Question 9. According to a study published in Nature, 79% of the Sustainable Development Goal SDGs could AI help achieve. Now question 10. How can wind turbine, hydroelectric power plant, biomass plant are used? Wind turbine, hydroelectric power plants, biomass plants are power generation asset which is used to generate power in different forms. Now question C. State the whether following statements are true or false. First, ecosystem conservation is an integrated approach aiming to protect all plant and animal species existing there. True. Question 2. The objectives listed below are an essential component of CSER. The correct answer is true. The core principle guiding the creation of the social pillar are to be combat social exclusion and prejudice, foster solidarity, and contribute to the well-being of stakeholders. The correct answer is true. The social pillar of sustainable development focus on promoting economic expansion. The correct answer is false. The utilization of renewable energy source and product recycling are the guiding concept for the growth of economic pillar. True. The environment pillar of sustainable development is based on commitment to safeguard the environment by lowering risk and assessing how business operations affect the environment. The correct answer is true. Now question 7. Biodiversity need to be managed and reserved in order to sustain a healthy ecosystem. True. Question 8. The economic pillar of sustainable development focus on business capacity to promote economic expansion and development. The correct answer is false. Respect for human rights is not an important principle of sustainable development. False. Question 10. Sustainable development should work towards the elimination of poverty, the promotion of education, and the provision of health care, among other things. The accurate answer is true. Now, question answer. First is short answer type question. So, question of first is what is the definition of sustainability? The accurate answer is sustainability is the ability to maintain or support a process, system, or activity without depleting natural resource or harming the environment, social structure, or economic now or in the future. Now, question 2. How AI is helping the manufacturing industry? Answer. AI helping in manufacturing industry in many ways, including predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain optimization, and energy management. Now, question 3. What is intellectual property? Answer. Intellectual property refers to creation of mind for which exclusive right or recognized under law. It encompasses a range of tangible assets that can be owned by legally protected. Question 4. How AI can help in agriculture? Answer. AI enable system make weather prediction, monitor agriculture sustainability, and assess farms for presence of disease or pest and undernourished plant using data like temperature, precipitation, wind speed, and sun radiation. Question 5. How AI can help the call center? Answer. AI in customer service refer to the use of intelligent technology to create support experience that are fast, efficient, and personalized. Question 6. Explain sustainable development. Answer. Sustainable development is development that meet the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Question 10. How do AI-powered chatbot help retailer collect more customer data? Answer. AI can conduct satisfaction survey and collect customer feedback straight on our website. Chatbot can also engage shoppers in conversation and gather more in-depth insight regarding their retail experience. Question 8. What specific application of AI are being explored by company line General Electric in optimizing power distribution? Answer. General Electric is a leading player in the power and energy sector is actively exploring and implementing various AI applications to optimize power distribution. Example, grid management and optimization, energy forecasting, fault detection and diagnosis, etc. Question 9. What are the consequences of environment degradation? Answer. Environment degradation is many consequences including climate change, pollution, deforestation, soil pollution, etc. Question 10. How can AI technology save the energy and mining sector billions of dollars worldwide? Answer. During exploration, AI algorithm can revolutionize the way we find the assess potential mineral deposits, significantly reduce cost and environmental impact. Now long answer type question. Question 1. What is sustainable development? Explain briefly. Answer. Sustainable development is a way of living that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's based on the idea that we need to balance different needs while being aware of the environmental, social, and economic limitation of our society. Now question 2. Explain the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So goal 1, no poverty. Goal 2, zero hunger. Goal 3, good health and well-being. Goal 4, quality education. Goal 5, gender inequality. Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. Goal 8, decent work and economic growth. Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Goal 10, reduce inequalities. Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. Goal 13, climate action. Goal 14, life below water. Goal 15, life on land. Goal 16, peace, justice and a strong institution. And goal 17, partnership for the goals. Now question 3, explain the AI in failure prediction. AI यानी Artificial Intelligence play an crucial role in failure prediction across various domains such as manufacturing, finance, healthcare, infrastructure. Here, how AI contribute to predicting failure and preventing potential issue, data collection, analysis, predictive maintenance, reliability engineering, failure mode and effect analysis, etc. Question 4. Explain the IT service management. Answer. IT service management is the practice of managing the delivery of IT services to customers and end user. It involves all the process and activity involved in designing, creating, delivery and supporting IT services. Question 5. How can government and business collaborate to address environmental challenges? Answer. Government and business can collaborate to address environmental challenges in many ways, including develop and enforce regulation, support environmental entrepreneurship, initiate sustainability projects, respect environmental rights, improve environmental performance, etc. Question 6. What are the benefits of using AI predicting equipment failure in a smart grid? Answer. By analyzing data from sensors and monitoring system, AI algorithm can detect early warning sign of malfunctions. These allow timely intervention to prevent equipment failure and reduce the need for costly emergency repair. AI-powered predictive maintenance contribute to extending the product's life cycle by addressing issues prominently and preventing unnecessary strain on equipment. Predictive maintenance reduces the frequency of replacement, machine downtime, and capital expenditure, maximizing organization returns on investment. Question 7. How can AI powered chatbot enhance customer support and help desk service? Answer. AI chatbot offer immediate assistance to customer inquiries, providing real-time responses without the need of human intervention. Their automated and efficient nature enable them to swiftly resolve routine inquiries, leading to quick resolution and improve customer satisfaction. Question 8. What are the advantages of integrating AI-powered voice assistant with enterprise software? Answer. At an enterprise level, AI chatbot can handle large volume of simultaneous requests without compromising performance. If you are using an enterprise chatbot solution for customer support, that means your customer will get prompt response even during peak times. Question 9. What are the potential challenge or limitation of implementing AI-powered voice assistant and chatbots in the service industry? Answer. Implementing AI-powered voice assistant and chatbot in the service industry that can pose several challenges and limitations like technical challenge, functional limitation, user experience challenge, security and compliance, operational challenge, human factor, etc. Question 10. What are the economic implications of neglecting environmental sustainability? Answer. Neglecting environmental sustainability can have serve economic implications including increased cost, resource scarcity, and disrupted supply chain, declining revenue, regulatory fines, etc.